Hello everyone, today is Thursday, July 18th. It's 2:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Making the video a little bit early today as I have I have a doctor's appointment. Okay, so in an attempt to do the videos quicker, I'm going to use a slightly different format. Someone asked me to still go over the trades, and I'm going to do that. First up is the DAX on the Super Inco 14 tick. And we had one small loser and then a really nice winner here, and the drawdown was only about $100, which is really good for this size of a chart. And the goal on this is 750, so just one tick of slippage shy of our goal. Next is the DAX on a Super Inco 6 tick with our step moving average and our open range filter. And both these charts on the DAX, in fact all my charts on the DAX, I've switched to starting trading at the US session open, so anyone interested in trading the DAX can now trade the DAX and they don't have to get up early to trade the London Open. This, very similar to the Super Inco 14 tick, the drawdown was about 150, but then came back with this actually two winners here and hit its goal of 500, I believe. 525, so one tick of slippage here, and very nice trading here. Okay, next up is the DAX on a 150 Kanashii chart, and this is using our open range filter and took a nice trade at the US session open. Blue bars did not take this short, and this retraced all the way back. This would have been hard to sit through. But it hit its goal of 500, and here's the template, and then the goal is 500, loss limit 475. Okay, next up is the mini S&P on a regular 4-range chart, and this just had a single trade using our open range filter and did 350 for the day. Our goal on this is, in fact, 400, so it probably hit its goal and had some slippage. Okay, once again, line break charts can be really useful. In this case, I used the line break with a higher time frame filter. This is a brand new chart, first time we've ever seen it. It's the E-mini S&P on a 1597 tick line break chart. So your data series looks like this. And the goal on this is 1,000. I need to change that. It's 2 contracts. I need to bring this back down to 1 contract. But this was previously another setup that had too many trades, I believe, and I tried something different. But anyway, this did 825 for the day on 2 trades. Very nice. The NASDAQ on a 1597 Kanashii tick chart started off with a couple of losers here and drew down about $300 on a single contract, and then came back with 3 winners and ended up hitting its goal of 500. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 4 tick. This drew down $55 or so, $50, and it has a goal of 400, so this hit its goal with a tick of slippage. The DAX on a 377 Kanashii chart had 2 trades back to back, drew down about $250, 2.25 maybe, and then came back and finished at 237.50. Next is the crude oil on a 150 tick line break, and this did 490, and the goal on this is 500, so very nice performance here. And the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 4 tick with a Super Inco 6 higher time frame filter. Here's the template. This has a goal of 400, and so this hit its goal and had 1 tick of slippage. The drawdown was about $200. Okay, next is the DAX on a 34 tick line break chart. This is actually using our open range filter. You can kind of see it here. And starting trading at the US Open, it's had 2 winners back to back, did not go short because of the open range filter, and did 550 for the day. The goal on this is 550, so it hit its goal with no slippage. Okay, finally we have the E-mini S&P on a regular 6 Renko chart. And here is the template here. It has a regular Super Renko 6 as the higher time frame. Slightly different sensitivity on the higher time frame. This works out pretty well on these regular Renko charts. So we had a small loser here, maybe a tick, and then a small winner and a really nice short trade here, doing 375 for the day, and the goal on this is 400. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.